Every night I'd wake up gasping for air constantly. And that's why I was sleeping in a chair, because I knew I couldn't lay in a bed because that would crush me. So I started sleeping sitting up. But even then I would wake up gasping for air every night, have these terrible headaches. That's basically what got me on carnivore, and things turned around so quick. Right now, I'm happy to say, like I told you, since I was 18 and I got pneumonia that one time from breathing that Corbon, my lungs then from that day never could get my oxygen saturation over 88. And now here I am 40 and my oxygen saturation with no oxygen is at 96%, just sitting here talking.